Today we dive into ComfyUI, a rising force in open source creative AI that's turning heads in digital art, generative design, and multimedia production. Whether you're a seasoned AI tinkerer, a digital artist, craving full creative control, or a developer considering modular pipelines, ComfyUI may just be the tool you've been looking for. What is ComfyUI? Released in early 2023, ComfyUI is an open-source, node-based graphical interface for building and executing AI-powered workflows, especially those rooted in stable diffusion. Built by the community. For the community, it supports cutting-edge models like SDXL, stable video diffusion, stable audio, and even emerging frameworks like Flux. At its heart, ComfyUI is about flexibility without friction. You can design complex generative workflows without writing a single line of code. Imagine dragging and connecting nodes like Lego blocks to compose image prompts, video synthesis chains, or audio processing flows. ComfyUI makes that a reality. Key features and capabilities. ComfyUI's features are built for creators who want power without platform lock-in. Node-based architecture. Build highly modular, repeatable workflows. Offline use. No cloud dependency. Total local control. Low VRAM. Optimization, smart memory management lets you run even on mid-range GPUs. Massive model compatibility. Supports everything from SD 1.5 to SDXL to stable audio and beyond. Custom node creation. Extend functionality with your own logic and scripts. It's not just a tool, it's an ecosystem builder. Benefits versus drawbacks. Upsides: free, open source, and community powered. Highly customizable with vibrant plugin and extension support. Perfect for artists who want complete control over their creative pipeline. Challenges: a steep learning curve, especially for beginners not used to node-based logic. Resource intensive. Lower-end machines may experience lag or crashes. Setup requires some technical comfort with GitHub, Python, and model configs. In short, ComfyUI rewards the curious but expects commitment. Use cases that matter. So what can you actually do with ComfyUI? Visual art. From stylized portraits to surreal dreamscapes, creators are producing gallery-worthy content using SDXL workflows. Video generation. Stitch keyframes into cinematic animations using stable video diffusion. AI music and audio. Use stable audio or custom audio models to generate soundscapes, voice effects, or beats. Developer prototyping. Test experimental AI pipelines, preprocessors, or cross-modal models in a no-code sandbox. ComfyUI is being used everywhere from indie game dev studios to NFT artists to research labs exploring multimodal creativity. Why you should learn ComfyUI or build on it? So, should you invest time learning ComfyUI? If your goal is to own your creative process, scale experimental AI projects, or even contribute to a growing open ecosystem of generative tools, the answer is absolutely. What's more, as open source AI workflows move toward agentic and autonomous systems, ComfyUI gives you the scaffolding to build tomorrow's multimodal AI apps today. And if you're a developer, contributing custom nodes, modules, or even new front ends for ComfyUI could position you as a thought leader in the fast-evolving creator AI space. Closing thoughts. In a world of black box cloud AI, ComfyUI stands as a beacon for transparent, user-owned innovation. It's not the easiest tool to learn, but its depth, extensibility, and raw power make it one of the most future-proof platforms in the generative AI landscape. If you're serious about mastering AI art, building next-gen workflows, or just experimenting beyond boundaries, ComfyUI isn't just worth learning. It might just be your creative superpower. This has been your AI Network News Deep Dive on ComfyUI. I'm Jai Patel. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and stay ahead.